Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also, write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to clear the history of watched videos in YouTube. This can be done in just a couple seconds. In order to do this, you go to the YouTube app. After that, you click on your profile. Here, next to History, you click on the button, View All. And here next to each video, you can click on the three dots. And here, click on Remove from Watch History. The video is removed from history. If we want to remove all videos at once, we click on the three dots at the top and select Clear All Watch History. And the entire history is immediately cleared. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.